back to Eloise Level 12. Today I'm at Cannock Chase doing the bike trail, which I'm really excited to do. There's 4 different areas you can go around. Like the first one, which I'm on now, is the easiest one. The second one is not as easy as the first one, but still kind of easy. Third is like hardish, and then the last one's the hardest one, because I think they go in like the order of easy to hard. And over here the arrow signs basically mean like they tell you which way you should go, so then like you don't like crash into other people and then you get hurt. Like they're trying to keep you safe by making everybody go the same way. For the 4 different track areas, you have to follow those, but they make everybody go the same way. On the just normal track, everybody goes on. With the 4 different ones, you can choose which one you go on, because it doesn't really matter. So I've done number 1, let's go to number 2. The first one was in the loop, the second one is a bumpy ride. Whoa. This one you just go over bumps. Like this. 1 bump, 2 bump, 3 bump. The track is quite easy to follow, and the trails merge. That basically means like if I stop at one part, I can quickly show you. See, like if I stop here for a sec, look, you see here the trail goes like here, and then this trail connects onto that trail, so you can go around again, so they connect. That's kind of what it means by trails connecting. I mean trails merge, but connecting and merge, they're kind of the same thing. And this is a little notice if you're going around. Just be careful with the trees, because for me it looks like this bike trail is in the forest, so there will be a lot of trees and lots of leaves, and maybe a few leaves on the track. Now let's do number 3. Number 3 is learn your berms. Learn your berms. That's a kind of weird name for it, but that's just what they call it. Whoa! And when you're on the track has loads of stones on it. So you can pedal as fast or as slow as you want, but like I'll recommend like pedaling faster, so it's easier when you're going over the stones, because there's stones everywhere. No matter where you go on the track, there's like stones. So yeah, when we go back up there, like over there, like I'll show you on the other signs, because there's another sign up there. I think it's a stop sign. So, oh yeah, I'm correct. Whoa. Oh no. Oopsie. I'm alright. If you fall, just get back on. Slow. Let's quickly do number 4, and I'll talk about the slow sign while doing number 4. Number 4 is keep bouncing. So the slow side basically means like to slow down. So you like when you're turning to go to your different like numbers to do the different tracks, like you don't go too quick and then you like fall over, kind of like what I nearly did just then. But even if that does happen, don't give up. Just pick up your bike, get back on and carry on. don't just stop and give up. Have this one value, resilient. Resilient means just don't give up and keep trying no matter what or what happened. Whoa. We're just gonna quickly do number 2 game while we're waiting for number 1, because it was a bit hard to get past, because I don't know what the map was for. It looked like it's a map, but maybe it was to show you the course, or maybe it's like a map to show you the whole entire place. Not too sure. Like, they were looking at it, so I didn't want to like bump into them, so I'm doing another one. So I'm gonna do number 1 next. I love doing them in order, because it just feels nice, because it's nice going from easy to hard. So then if you do get tired and want to stop and you've done the harder one first, you don't get to do the easy ones before relaxing and stuff. So I'll finish. What? Even though it isn't happening like right now, I just want to let you guys, just to let you know, like, let's go to number 1 quick. To let you know if, like, hi, if someone is like if someone in front of you is going really slow and you want to go really fast, if you have a bell, ring it, or say excuse me, and then when they move out your way so you can like go faster, say thank you, because they're letting you go so you can go faster, and they can go as slow as they want as well. So make sure to be kind to your runners when like you're asking for people to like move to the side. Don't just go move, because that's a bit mean. And if you want, ring your bell and say excuse me, just so they can figure out what it means, basically.
Right here, son.
What? Just gotta be careful on the track. To approach around the side, I'm not sure what those stuff like plants things are. They're like the beige colour. They're like a beige colour. I'm not really too sure what they are. It's fine. Whoa! Next 3, learn your. I'm so strange to say that word, berms. Yeah, berms. For some reason, this is probably my fault. Berms is actually a weird name for these, to be honest. I would call them learn your curves, because that makes a little bit more sense, because these are like curves. But it doesn't matter. And do number 4 after this one. After number 3, because we've just done number 3 again. I don't know how many times I've gone across each one yet. This part is the part where I go super fast, but then I know I have to slow down because of the slow sign. Because number 4 is the sharpest corner turn. Oh, I have to be careful with that tree, because remember I hit into the tree before. Use your brake so you can do your sharp turn. I don't know what number 4 just said. Like, the type of it's the hardest course because this one's like a mixture of everything. It has the curves, the bumps, so it's kind of basically a mixture of everything. Watch out for the rocks. Whoa. The part there's quite narrow, so I don't know if I really want to go down that part. Even though I could, I'm just not. It's just a really narrow. Not the big tree. There's a little one next to a tree. I can't really. I'll be careful because I'm pushing the tree that nearly made me fall over. I might suffer a little bit.